How to log into X Twitter. First, unlock your phone and open the X app, the one with the white X logo. On the welcome screen, tap the button that says login. Don't worry, it's right below the sign up option. Now, type your phone, email, or username and then tap next. Type your password, then tap login. Boom, you are back on X. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password. Follow the steps to reset it using your email or phone. Bonus tip. Want faster logins? Turn on fingerprint or face unlock in your phone settings for the X app. And that's it. You are back on X and ready to scroll. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments below on what tutorial you want next. See you in the next one.